Welcome to Vlogmas Day 14, and I'm going to show you how I got this festive green and red holiday look. We're wasting time. Hello Hotties, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I'm Ali Mack and I am currently a 7th grade math teacher. While you're here, please click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. Do it now. So it is December 14th and day 14 of Vlogmas, and let's get into it, shall we? Holiday look, the first thing you're going to do is cover your eyelids with a white eyeshadow using a blending brush. I am using this palette from BH Cosmetics, Take Me Back to Brazil, to create this look. I use green and red from this palette, and basically anytime I am trying to do my eye makeup for a certain theme, this is my go-to palette. I tap this green into the outer corner of my eye until I get the color that I would like. One thing I like about BH Cosmetics' palettes is they're very buildable. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, but this time with red. I'm going to use a clean blending brush on this side so the colors don't get mixed. And as you can see, I'm just simply tapping it in the outer corner of my eye. At this point, you guys could be completely done, but I've decided that since I'm not wearing lashes today, I am just going to line my lids with black eyeliner. Now I'm getting my blending brush that I used to put the white eyeshadow on, and I'm just removing the harsh lines on my eyelids. Here I'm just finishing putting on my black eyeliner on the top and the bottom. And lastly, I am finishing up with some mascara. Didn't lie, this looks pretty easy, huh? Our theme today is to wear green and red, so I am doing my very best with that. So far, so good. We are going over the study guide that I created, but I found a couple of errors, so I gotta go ahead and fix that real quick. Look at this present. This little girl made me these beautiful earrings, and she had such a sweet little note. I kind of cut into the bag, but, and then another little girl gave me all this. Like, how could you not be in a good mood? Virtual class is so sweet. They always have the sweetest things to say, whether it be my eyeshadow, my nails, just whatever. They are just the sweetest. Oh, I get it now, Miss Brazil. You taught that so well, like giving me a big head. All right, that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, informative, or even entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below one thing that makes December 14th, 2020 special to you. And as always, you guys have the best day ever, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.